With all eyes on the election, the U.S. suffered its worst week of the pandemic, and Saturday, 130,000 new infections were reported. That is the most since the pandemic began. More than 237,000 Americans have died, the most in the world. Welcome to KOIN 6 News at 10 o'clock on Portland CW. I'm Wayne Haverly. Now, the latest numbers in Oregon show we've added more than 800 new cases to the totals. It's the second highest single-day spike that we've seen, just behind yesterday. KOIN 6's Jennifer Dowling joins us live with an update on what we've seen and the governor's plan to pause reopening in the Portland metro area. Jennifer, what's the latest tonight?
Well, there's a lot going on and businesses are concerned. The governor says the most disturbing thing about the uptick in numbers is that it's not due to a certain outbreak, it is just community spread. So it's really hard to track down where it's coming from. Now, the Oregon Health Authority reported that 874 new confirmed and presumptive cases of COVID-19 as of this morning. And that brings the state total to more than 50,000 cases. The OHA also reporting that another person died Saturday, bringing the death toll to 730 victims. And earlier this week, Governor Brown announced a 2-week pause on social activities for counties with more than 200 cases per 100,000 over a 2-week period or more than 60 cases for a week type for counties with less than 30,000 people. So all of that includes Malheur, Umatilla, Marion, Jackson, and Multnomah counties. But Clackamas, Washington, and a handful of other counties are also getting close to triggering a pause as well.
There are 5 additional counties that are on the cusp of meeting these metrics: Washington, Baker, Union, Clackamas, and Lynn counties. We will be pulling data for the whole state on Monday, but in particular for these 5 counties. Should they meet these metrics, they too will begin a 2-week pause.
Now, the governor is asking that you limit social interactions to your own household. She says the pause for the already listed counties goes into effect Wednesday, November 11th, and continues through Wednesday, November 25th. So that is coming up for most of those counties. She says closures could also be imminent if there isn't a reduction in case counts. Now, she hopes they can drive down the numbers by Thanksgiving, but I talked to a restaurant owner tonight who says that he thinks that's going to limit his capacity here in Multnomah County by 25%. So businesses, especially restaurants, not looking forward to this pause coming up next week. Back to you.